It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the house of Paco Rabanne with his newest release, Fame. You all, look at this bottle. Is this not the coolest perfume bottle ever? I think he should win an award for this. This is super cool. Oh my goodness. And there's some type of way where you can link your phone to it. I don't know how that works, but yes, it's got tech built into it. And this is also refillable. However, it's not all about the bottle, is it? It's about the smell. I'm going to actually just spritz a little bit of this across a couple of my fingers because I did smell it already. And I recall a few things, but I needed to get a reminder. So while this is drying down, let's see what the notes are. Mango, bergamot, jasmine, olibanum, vanilla, and sandalwood. So with the exception of jasmine, these are all notes that I like. Mango can go sour on me depending on how it's blended, so we'll see. But what I'm getting is a very strong mango on the top. It's nice. It's very nice, but it's got some sharpness to it. And it reminds me a little bit of Creed Aventus for women. So if you like Creed Aventus for her, you will like this. I particularly don't care for it. Pineapple notes don't really do it for me because I have a chemistry that tropical fruits really go sour or even musty on me. So like mangoes and pineapples and things like that, I have to be very, very careful with those. So this is very fresh. I can even see a man wearing this. Ooh, you know what this smells like? Coconut Nanas by Rirana. That is what this reminds me of. If you like Coconut Nanas by Rirana, and a nana is actually a pineapple in Spanish. So anana is a Cuban version of pineapple, or some call it a piña, depending on your dialect. But so it's not banana. A nana is a pineapple. So if you like pineapples, you will love this. This is almost a spot-on dupe for that. So if you don't want to spend $200 or $300 on Coconut Nanas, and actually my husband wears that fragrance and he loves it. He has a chemistry where fruits go wonderfully with his body chemistry, and I can't stand it. He smells better in my perfumes than I do. I say that all the time. You know, he's just one of those people. Where me, I do better with gourmand, like rich gourmands, vanillas and sandalwoods. Those are my jam. So while I do kind of like this, it is not a love for me, but I might just have to let him try this one and see what he thinks about it, because this smells right up his alley. It really does. And I think he's probably going to end up taking this bottle. But if you'd like to try a sample of this and any other fragrance in my collection, if it is still in my collection, it is on my website, whistlenotes.com. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.